Hi everyone, Windows 11 takes copy and paste to another level with a feature called Clipboard History, which lets you see a list of items you have copied to the clipboard recently. In this Windows 11 guide, we will walk you through the steps to enable, configure, and use the Clipboard History feature across your devices. To enable Clipboard History, open Settings. Click on System. Click the Clipboard page on the right side. Turn on the Clipboard History toggle switch. Once you have enabled Clipboard History, you can call up a list of items you have copied recently while using any application. To do so, press Windows key plus W. A small window will pop up. The most recent items you have copied are at the top of the list. You can click on any item in the Clipboard History list to paste it into an open application. To remove items from Clipboard History, click on the three dots beside the item you would like to delete. Select Delete from the small menu that pops up. If you'd like to remove all the items from Clipboard History, click Clear All in the ellipses menu. You can clear it in the settings also. I hope you like. Thanks for watching the video.